All right, I'm going to show you how to turn off data roaming on your Android phone. We're going to do this on both a Samsung phone and a Motorola phone running stock Android. For those that aren't familiar, turning off data roaming prevents your Android phone from connecting to foreign cellular networks, which helps you avoid extra charges while traveling. On a Samsung phone, you'll go to Settings, then Connections, and from there, Mobile Networks. Here, you'll have a toggle for data roaming. Just switch that off and you're all set. If you're on Motorola, Google Pixel, or something else running stock Android, similar steps, but the menus will look a little different. On my Motorola, I'll go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then SIMs and Mobile Network. I'll tap my SIM card, and within those settings, I have International Data Roaming. I'll just turn that off, and that's it. Different phones will have this under slightly different menu names, so if you can't find it right away, you can always go to Settings and search for Roaming, and it should show up. Anyways, that is how you turn off data roaming on your Android phone. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more quick, easy guides like this one. Thanks all!